Hi there. Welcome to Cine Culture with TJ Seaman, where everything we do here is for the culture of filmmaking and cinematography. Today, I'll be talking about a diffusion kit that has changed the way I light scenes professionally. And I must issue a quick disclaimer that this review is in no way sponsored by Lasolight or any of its affiliates. I actually purchased this and have been using this for my work. So, with that out of the way, let's do this. Until I got one, I didn't realize how much I wanted a kit diffuser. Setting up and taking down lighting equipment for filming takes forever. But with the Lasolight Skyline diffusion kit, it's so easy. It is collapsible and can be used as a diffusion, a negative field, or as a reflector. With bigger diffusion comes softer shadows and lighting, which is what most people strive for when they're making films. There's a reason why you don't see octoboxes in big budget filmmaking so often. Bowens mount soft boxes can only grow to a certain size before becoming impractical. With large external diffusion, you can take your lighting from mediocre to extraordinary. They come in different sizes. I have the 5.5 feet by 5.5 feet and also the 6 feet by 6 feet, and they're made from aluminum, so they're very lightweight. In terms of materials, they also come in a few kits. The diffusion and reflector kit is the one I use the most. The black side works as a negative field, and the silver side works as a bounce board or reflector. In addition to creating deeper shadows and contrast, negative fill can also be used to flag light and block it from hitting things you don't want. The silver material presents a vast number of opportunities, whether it be reflecting sunlight into someone's face or bouncing the light through the diffusion. I highly recommend using diffusion as it provides a lot of added value to your cinematography. Seeing where your film lights are coming from in a frame or a scene indicates that you are an inexperienced filmmaker. A beautiful semi-hard case comes with the frame, and the frame is neatly folded away behind the diffusers. It's quite easy to set up. You simply pull out the frame and connect the corners. You then clip on the diffuser using the clips already on the diffuser. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. Although DIY diffusion frames are popular, they cost a lot of money to build and take a lot of time to build as well. You will also not be able to set it up and tear it down nearly as fast if it isn't lightweight. I can tell you this because I have made quite a few for my productions before, and boy, were they hectic to set up. I got great results though, but at some point in our careers as filmmakers, your time and my time is worth more than these equipment. I'm not at all saying you're wasting your time with DIY solutions though, but the best equipment always combines smooth walkability and great results. One of the great things about Lasolite diffusion frames, you can use LED panels, HMIs, or even add a softbox to your light and shoot through the frame's diffusion material, giving more soft, even illumination that eliminates any hot spots. These frames can also be used to block sunlight outdoors and provide softer lighting, or you can just place them on an interior window for a straight-up natural light softbox. In addition to their flexibility, Lasolite Skyline frames have a few downsides. First, I would like to see some more diffusion options, honestly. Mostly one full stop diffusion instead of the 1/4 stop that comes with the kit. We can eliminate more hotspots if we have more options. Also, since they aren't really standard sizes, it's hard to buy off-the-shelf materials and easily attach them to the frames. But in my professional opinion, Lasolite Skyline diffusers are easy to set up and to take down, and so they can be taken out and put away in less than a minute. Overall, they work great. They save time and are relatively affordable. And that's it, folks. Don't hesitate to send in questions in the comments section, and I will surely answer them. Also, subscribe and follow for more filmmaking secrets and equipment giveaways. But more importantly, don't forget to keep making films. That's the secret sauce to getting better. See you in the next video.